Okay, be honest. You're watching this instead of finishing that report, right? Well, this Black Friday deal might actually save you. Click the link in the description below to grab your Coupler AI discount before it's gone. Look, we've all been there. It's 2 a.m., you're copying data from 5 different spreadsheets, and you're questioning your life choices. What if I told you there's a way to automate all that soul-crushing manual work? Meet Coupler AI, the platform that's already saving 790,000 users from spreadsheet hell. We're talking about companies like Uber and Stanford, who decided they had better things to do than manually update reports every week. Here's the magic. Over 700 integrations that connect everything from Google Analytics to Shopify to your CRM. No coding required, just point, click, and watch your data flow into beautiful dashboards automatically. But wait, there's more, and I mean that in the best way possible. Their AI actually reads your data and tells you what it means. Like having a data scientist who never sleeps and doesn't drink all your office coffee. The best part? They have a free forever plan. But this Black Friday, their paid plans are getting serious discounts. We're talking about the professional plan that normally runs $49 a month, the team plan at $99, and the business plan at $249. With 95% customer satisfaction and A-rated support, you're not just buying software, you're buying your sanity back. So stop procrastinating and click that link in the description. Your future self will thank you when you're sipping coffee instead of wrestling with spreadsheets.